Well, Uber drivers are quitting left and right, and it's no surprise. There's a lot going on, especially if you saw what happened in the news yesterday. We're gonna talk about it, but before we do, if you're interested in a new way to make money, there is an incredible opportunity to make thousands of dollars per month right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is something I've been doing for over 5 years now, and it was how I was able to buy this house, how I was able to get out of doing Uber, how I was able to get out of living paycheck to paycheck, the 9 to 5, not even the 9 to 5, but just, you know, credit card debt and everything. This is one of my YouTube channels using the faceless method. Over $130,000 in the past 365 days. In some months bringing in over 20,000 bucks, as you can see right there. $20,000 in a month, 30,000 in a month. Anyways, if you want to learn how to do this, I created a tutorial video on how to do it and a community group chat where you can ask me questions and I will help you launch your own page to make money. And right now I have it opened, so there's a 30-day free trial. So the doors are wide open for you to sign up and create your channel. I'll walk you through it. And if you don't like it, you can cancel it at any time. But I know you're gonna love it. I know so many of you watching this, it's gonna change your life as it did for me, okay? So check it out down below. You don't need any experience or any following. You can and you don't need to show your face at all. So click the link below, get your 30-day free trial. Listen to this. Rideshare driver was shot in the head in Prospect Heights. This looks like it was in New York. According to the NYPD, a 52-year-old Uber driver was found wounded in the driver's seat of a black Mercedes-Benz on Lincoln Place in Prospect Heights. Sounds like it was Uber Black. Authorities are looking for 2 people seen running from the Brooklyn scene where a rideshare driver was shot in the head. He was last said to be in critical condition. So sad. Police are looking for the 2 men that witnesses said had been in the vehicle and ran from the scene. No description was immediately available. So I'm assuming that this Uber driver was taking a cash ride, because had he actually accepted the ride in the app, they probably would have found out who these passengers were. Or maybe it was in the app, but you know how a lot of times the passenger doesn't need to show their ID, doesn't need to prove who they are. Like I have a friend who she's an Uber passenger and her name, she set her name to Kanye West in the app. I mean, I guess it is linked to your payment info. So maybe this was an actual, you know, cash ride. This is why it's really important to, you know, have a dash cam, have a, you know, not accept any rides outside of the app. I don't understand why. I mean, again, we don't know the details, but this is just one of the many reasons why so many drivers are quitting, because of this story right now. I mean, this driver, he's just living his life, doing his thing, and driving Uber, my friends, it's an extremely dangerous job, okay? You're in close, locked proximities with strangers who you don't know who they are. They could be criminals. They don't need to do a background check when they sign up to the app. Uber drivers do, however, have to do a background check, have to do ID verification, all that, but the passengers don't. Why? Why, might you ask? Profits, baby, profits. If passengers had to do their ID verification, background checks, there wouldn't be nearly as many passengers on the road. And what does the Uber CEO care about? His precious stock price, right? He doesn't want to do that. They don't really care about the drivers, right? They'll deactivate you at any given moment. They'll, you know, deactivate you over a false report. Even though inflation's rising, the cost of living's going up, cost of, you know, transportation, cost of vehicle ownership is skyrocketed. Uber's been cutting rates for drivers. We just saw Gridwise, which is a very popular app, just came out with a study that said in 2023, Uber and Uber Eats drivers' pay went down 15 to 17% from the previous year. So Uber drivers are earning less, working more, and at the same time, the cost of living is going up. So it doesn't surprise me that so many drivers are quitting. And on top of this, it's dangerous. So anyways, quick video there. Let me know your thoughts. I hope that driver does survive. Fortunately, I mean, being shot in the head, even if you do survive, it's just so sad. So make sure, you know, if you have any loved ones who are Uber drivers, just warn them. They're like, hey, this is a dangerous job. So again, if you want to sign up for my tutorial video down below on how to create a faceless YouTube channel, all you got to do is click the link below And when you sign up, just make sure there's a 30-day free trial below, and then you can get access to that course program and where I teach you everything you need to do to start up a Faceless YouTube channel and start making money. Again, you don't need a following, you don't need to show your face, you don't need any experience at all. You can actually get started within the same day. You can do it today. And once you sign up for that 30-day free trial as well, you will get access to that group chat too, where I am in there too, as well as many other members who are already starting their pages, so you can learn from them as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care, God bless, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye now.